Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for December 2023. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages and thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Please check out my online shop sa Shopee, Mr. Queen PH for protection and prosperity items, bracelets, and zodiac sign bracelets na perfect pang regalo ngayong holiday season. Dahil bukod sa mga vouchers na available para sa inyo, may 25% discount din tayo sa lahat ng items until November 30, 2023. So grab this opportunity at padaluyin ng swerte sa pagsalubong ng taong 2024. Check out nyo na yan. Lahat ng links ay nasa description. For you, Taurus, so ito ang inyong bracelet. Meron itong moss agate, rhodonite, at green aventurine na nag-a-align sa energies ng mga Taurus. So, available ito sa black na box. Meron din tayong white. So, just in case you want na ipang regalo to, perfect pang regalo, pwedeng-pwede siya. And then, meron pa rin naman tong naka-pouch for personal use. So, you have other options. Ayan. So, ito ay available sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. So, let's begin, Taurus. Ano ba yung parating sa inyo ngayong December? What's coming to Taurus ngayong December 2023? For Taurus. So this is your overall energy, the shadow. This is shadow work. Maaring meron kayong mga aayusin sa inyong mga sarili ngayong December. Spiritual spiritual work. Oo, for some of you. Magkakaroon kayo ng awareness of the things that you need to let go of, yung kailangan nyo nang i-release para may ma-welcome kayo na new experiences and new energies, okay? So, let's see your challenge. Ano naman yung challenge ng mga Taurus for December? Learning. So maaring challenging sa inyo ang pag-aaral, no? Lalo na kung kayo isang estudyante pa rin or kayo ay merong mga i-research, gusto nyong matutunan. So, possible na magkaroon ng challenge dyan pagdating sa oras, pagdating sa panahon mo, sa schedule mo. So, make sure to manage your time well pagdating ng December. And then, para naman sa opportunity, ano yung opportunity ng mga Taurus? Ano yung opportunity? Okay, animals. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, may opportunity kayo to have your own pet, no? Kung mahilig kayo sa mga pet, aso, pusa, or kung anong paman na pet na gusto nyo, no? And maaring opportunity for you to take care of your pets, lalo na dun sa may mga alagang hayop dyan. And for some of you naman, this is about yung mga spirit guides mo na ang tawag dyan, yung mga spirit animals. Oo. So, maaring may mga synchronistic or may mga synchronicities pagdating sa mga nakikita nyong animals at a certain period of time sa December na, for example, you will always see butterflies kahit hindi naman ganun kadalas ka nakakita ng butterflies before. Meron yung meaning. So, it means new beginnings na nag-undergo ka ng transformation. Or yung iba naman, pwedeng owl, no? So, you've been seeing owls like, meron kayo nakikitang, let's say, sa video, sa pictures, ganyan. Okay? And ibig sabihin nun, wisdom. O, maaring meron kayong kailangang pag-aralan. So, pagdating naman sa blessing, let's see your blessing, Taurus, for December. Uy, rites of passage. Speaking of rites of passage, this is about transformation. So, yung iba sa inyo, Taurus, kapag kayo'y madalas makakita ng butterflies, it's a symbol of transformation. So, maaring binibigyan ka ng sign ng universe na it's time to make a change or it's time to transform your situation or to end things. Kasi ang transformation is to end something and to start something new. Okay? So, there's a blessing in the transformation na mangyayari sa'yo ngayong December. So, yung iba sa inyo, spiritual transformation to eh. What else? Ano yung energies ng mga Taurus? You have the Queen of Wands. Medyo kayo ngayon, mas mag-e-explore ngayong December. Yeah, it makes sense, no? Doon sa movement or trying new things, letting go, and learning new things. Kasi maaring mas magiging, kayo, yung nag-e-explore, oo. Gusto nyo may ma-explore pa na bago. Yung iba sa inyo magsisimulang magnegosyo or magta-travel. Oo. Let's see the challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Taurus? So, 8 of Cups. See, ayun na nga. Yung iba sa inyo, challenge sa inyo na may baguhin or merong iwanan or alisan na sitwasyon. Kasi Taurus kasi ay fixed sign. So, for some of you, hindi kayo ganun ka-komportable sa mga pagbabago na laging pabago-bago. Gusto nyo fixed, gusto nyo stable ang mga nangyayari sa paligid ninyo. But there are times na you have to get away from your comfort zone. Yung tipong aalis ka sa comfort zone mo para mas mag-grow ka. Okay? So, for some of you, it may be challenging, no? Oo, but, what I'm seeing here is you are opening up your heart to learn something new. Kasi ang daming green colors dito and green is associated with your heart chakra. So, parang if follow mo yung heart mo, you will follow your heart. Whatever you want to pursue na kung saan sa tingin mo mas mag-grow ka. Ano yung opportunity? You have the Ace of Pentacles, opportunity to start a new career, a new business. Yung iba naman, maaring mag-a-adopt ng pets. Oo. You will get a new pet. Kahit anong pet yan. And then, some of you will also mag-invest, no? Sa lupa, sa properties. So, this is something na parang ibi-baby mo, no? Oo. Nasabihin mo na, this is my baby. Mga ari-arian. Oo. Yung iba, you will also involve yourself sa agriculture. Oo, nakita ko rito ng farm. So, yung iba sa inyo, bibili ng farm or kahit sa bahay lang magtatanim-tanim. What is the blessing? The blessing. Two of Pentacles. A lot of, sources of income ang darating sa'yo ngayong December. Yun nga lang, medyo magiging busy ka kasi marami kang kailangang asakasuhin. So, just make sure na mabalance mo ang oras at panahon mo sa business, sa trabaho, sa sarili mo, sa iyong family. So, let's see for Taurus. Ngayong December 2023. Page of Swords. More on learning talaga sa inyo. Meron kayong mentor, someone is willing to share their knowledge and skills sa'yo. Parang, namomotivate ka sa isang tao na gusto mo, parang role model mo siya. Oo, this can be anyone na gusto mong sundan ang kanyang yapak. There's also a romantic connection that I'm seeing here. Someone is interested in you or magpapahayag ng feelings towards you. Pwede itong mas bata sa'yo. Oo. Medyo, younger. And I feel like, gusto mo rin tong person na to. Pwedeng, mo na siya. Friend mo na sa social media. I also see this person as someone na very responsible. So, kung yan yung nakikilala or makikilala nyo sa December, then possible na maging serious relationship to. What else? Hidden secrets can harm you. Oh, may mga secret around you. Nako, baka yung iba sa inyo merong isinisikreto sa inyo ang isang tao. Bakit? So, be careful na lang. O, you need to defend yourself, Taurus. Oo. Ngayong December, be careful with people na magiging ka-deal mo. Always protect your energies kasi maaring may mga tao na secretly wants you to to fail. Oo. So, be careful. Some of you naman, pwedeng meron kayong court cases na kailangang ayusin o na kailangang ipagtanggol nyo yung sarili ninyo. Too much concern with sexual matters. Okay. And then, short journey. Yeah. I think, Taurus, when it comes to relationship, lalo na kung you are dealing with someone na masyadong forward thinking, masyadong mabilis yung kanyang mga actions towards you, lalo na sexually, mga sexual advances, nako, medyo mag-ingat ka dyan. Okay? So, slowly but surely. Oo, huwag masyadong magtiwala, no, sa relationship, lalo na kung masyado namang masyadong advance, alam mo yon. Masyadong mabilis yung mga gusto niyang mangyari sa inyo. So, sa relationship, you will find clarity in the situation. So, ibig sabihin yan, malalaman mo kung ano yung best na dapat mong gawin dyan sa situation mo with someone. And you will also focus on taking care of yourself. You will spend more time with yourself. Maaring may vacation for some of you na, you just want to relax, rejuvenate, and renew. Oo, parang, magpapaspa ka lagi. Uy! New love opportunity talaga for some of you, Taurus. But of course, be very careful. Yung iba sa inyo, kaibigan nyo to. Or magsa-start siya as friends. And eventually, maaring ma-develop. Or pwede rin tong, through your friend mo makikilala. Yun nga lang, mas kilalanin mo tong taong to kasi lumabas na naman yung secret. So, merong itinatago sa'yo. So, pay attention to the red flags. Huwag masyadong ibuhos muna, no? Ang feelings. So, sa iyo namang career, maraming options, no? A lot of opportunities waiting for you. Oo, don't doubt yourself and trust your instinct in choosing the best possible decision. The unknown brings wisdom when explored. So, you will explore something. I think itong learning na to na challenge sa inyo, ito yung i-explore nyo talaga na gusto nyo pang matutunan, mas maging malalim yung kaalaman nyo tungkol dito. Kahit some of you business related, some of you this is related to your career, no? Sa talents and skills ninyo na gusto nyo pang mas lumago. Upgrade, nag-upgrade ka. Yung iba sa inyo merong pagtaas ng posisyon sa trabaho, promotion. Or sa business niyo nag-upgrade ka, nagdadagdag ka ng mga bagong products, ng mga bagong services. But also, you have to be kailangan meron ka daw backup plan. Oo, kasi pwedeng meron mga unforeseen or unexpected na financial crisis. So, you have to be prepared. Mas okay na prepared ka, 'di ba? So, wag masyadong mag-overspend ngayong December. Focus on your savings. So, final message for Taurus. You are the light. It is safe to step fully into your light. Yes, this is about being authentic, being more genuine, no? Oo, kasi some of you are spiritual workers, spiritual leader, healer, no? So that's why you shine light to others. Okay? So, that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.